If you find yourself caught in the rain, on a job or a site visit, it's enough to ruin your day. A good rain suit can fix that. This rubberized rain suit from Beck will keep you dry and it's made to last. It's fully waterproofed with 210D rubberizing and it's double stitched with sealed seams. The jacket has elasticated cuffs, a draw cord waist, a fixed hood with draw cord, 2 front pockets with flaps, and an industrial nylon zipper with inner storm flap. The bottoms have an elasticated waist with extra space, so you can easily pull them on over your pants. This durable industrial suit has 50mm of reflective tape to make sure you're safely visible. A perfect option to make sure you're ready for whatever the weather throws at you. This is just one of the workwear solutions available at Builders. For more, visit in-store or shop online at builders.co.za. And for more videos like this, visit the blog on our website. Get to Builders, get it done.